Hello friends! In the near future, Audi will delight its fans with not one, but two flagship SUVs. We're talking about the long-awaited new generation of the Q7, which has long been due for replacement, and the all-new flagship Q9, whose release has already been officially confirmed by the company. Both models are extremely important for the brand, but today we'll focus more on the Q7, though you should understand that technically the Q9 will be a twin brother to the Q7, with the main differences being in size and equipment. Since 2015, the Q7 has been in production, and despite facelifts, it has become morally outdated, so a new generation has been long anticipated. Based on the latest spy photos and test videos showing the Germans actively putting the new model through trials, it's clear that the Q7 will become noticeably larger and more massive. Moreover, its exterior will match Audi's new corporate design language. That means the controversial split headlights, a large honeycomb-structured grille, and sleek taillights with the latest LED graphics reminiscent of the newest A6. That's exactly what the company promises. If you didn't like the recent Q6, chances are the Q7 won't be to your taste either. The interior is another place where the Q7 will resemble the brand's latest models. The new flagship will feature 3 screens, as is expected from a modern, fashion-conscious vehicle. And hidden beneath the metal skin lies a new digital architecture made up of 5 high-performance computing units. Their job is to systematize all processes, increase data processing efficiency, reduce the amount of wiring and the number of modules, and simplify maintenance for the owner. This is all thanks to the new PPC platform, which may sound odd but is actually a very impressive development. It's universal and can support not only traditional internal combustion engines, but also hybrid setups, plug-in hybrids, and even parallel hybrids. This means the new Q7 will have a wide variety of engines. Let's start with the classics. Fans of gasoline-powered Q7s will be glad to hear that the beloved 3-liter turbocharged V6 remains, paired with a 48-volt starter generator. It's been updated, which boosts overall output. Now, the TFSI engine produces a much more serious 370 horsepower and 550 Nm of torque, which is quite solid. Diesel fans need not worry either, as Audi won't remove the torquey 3-liter V6 diesel from the lineup. It delivers over 300 horsepower and 650 Nm of torque, an ideal choice for long trips without frequent refueling, with train-like pulling power available from low revs. And if the classics don't excite you, welcome to the world of plug-in hybrids. The company will offer 2 variants based on the 3-liter V6 paired with an electric motor. The less powerful setup will deliver 420 horsepower, while the stronger version will be pushed to the limit with 510 horsepower and 800 Nm of torque. Sounds pretty impressive. But if you want to save some money, rumor has it that Audi will also introduce a base hybrid with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 290 horsepower. No matter which engine you choose, every Q7 will come with Audi's true quattro all-wheel drive, not a multi-plate clutch prone to overheating at the wrong time, and an 8-speed ZF automatic gearbox. And for those who want something more exciting, Audi will offer the SQ7 with its mighty 4-liter twin-turbo V8, paired with mild hybrid technology. Power output will increase to around 580 horsepower, while torque will reach 900 Nm. Performance will also improve, although exact figures haven't yet been disclosed. Hopefully, the new Q7 will regain its youthful aggression, because lately, compared to the BMW X5 and Mercedes GLE, it has started to look more like an old man. As for production, the new model will also be built in Slovakia, at the Bratislava plant where all previous generations were produced. Audi's management has confirmed that the model will debut next year, although the exact release date remains under wraps. So let's wait and see.